Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of applications of differentiation. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us if f of x is a cubic polynomial with f of 1 is equals to minus 10, f of minus 1 is equals to 6, and these two functions that they are given us has a local minima. So we have been given a local minima exists at x equals to 1, and f dash of x, that is the derivative of the function, that is also given to us that it has a local minima at x equals to minus 1. Then we have been asked to find the value of f of 3. And if I talk about the answer choices that are given to us, the options are, let's see them. So the answer choices that are given to us here in this question are 5, 22, 27, and the last answer choice is 32. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choice is the correct answer for the question that is given to us. Let's try to solve this question. So we have been told that it's a cubic polynomial. So if function f of x is a cubic polynomial, I have it in the form as ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So I have this cubic polynomial with me. Now further I know that the derivative of this function f of x is 3ax squared 2bx plus c. So we have this derivative of the function given to us. And if I also find the second derivative, because we have been told that the derivative of this function also has a local minima at x equals to minus 1. So to use that, basically I'm finding the second derivative also of this function. So 6ax plus 2b. So I have all the three functions, derivative and the second derivative. So once I have that, I'll use the conditions given. They have told me f of 1 is minus 10, f of minus 1 is 6. So if I use that, I know at x equals to 1, the function's value is minus 10. So I'll put that in this expression. So if I use that expression first, at x equals to 1, f of 1 becomes a into 1 cube, which is 1, plus b into 1 square, which is 1, c into 1 plus d. So you have a plus b plus c plus d. Addition of all the constants equals to minus 10. Next, they have also told us at x equals to minus 1, the value of the function is 6. So at x equals to minus 1, so f of minus 1 would make it a into minus 1 cubed, which is minus 1, so which is minus a, plus b into minus 1 square, which is b, plus c into minus 1, which is minus c, plus d. So I have here f of minus 1 that is given to me as 6. So I'll substitute 6 is equals to minus a plus b minus c plus d. So I have one more equation. Now I have four unknowns. So for four unknowns to be solved, I need four equations. I have two of them already. Now let's use the other two ideas to develop two more equations. They have also told us that the function has a local minima at x equals to 1. So when the function has a local minima at x equals to 1, what do I understand is from the concept of maxima minima, whenever we know that a function has a local minima at some points of x, we know the derivative of that function would become 0. So it is given to us that it is having a local minima at x equals to 1. So f dash of 1 is nothing but equal to 0. So that is the other idea given to me. So if I use my first derivative, and here I know at x equals to 1, means everywhere if I put x equals to 1, let's see what I get. So f dash of 1 is equals to 3a into 1 square, which is 1. So 3a plus 2b into 1, which is 2b, plus c. So I have from this 3a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0. So I have one more equation in terms of ABC. Now let's see the other idea. We have also been told that f dash of x, means the derivative of f of x, also has a local minima at x equals to minus 1. So if the derivative of that has a local minima, we know that the derivative of that derivative will be equals to 0 at x equals to minus 1. Means the derivative of the derivative means we are talking about the second derivative. So f double dash of x equals to minus 1. So f double dash of minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have that with us. Now if I put that, we know the second derivative is this. If I put x equals to minus 1 here, I get 6a into minus 1. So minus 6a plus 2b. So, and that is equal to 0. So I have minus 6a equals plus 2b equals 0. So from here, I have 6a is equals to 2b. And from here, I can just divide this to 1 and 3 times. So I get b is equals to 3a. So I have b also in terms of a. Once I have b in terms of a, let's put it here. So you get from here, if I substitute b as 3a, I get 3a plus 2 times 3a plus c equals 0. So that gives you 6a plus 3a, which is 9a. So c plus 9a equals 0. That gives us c is minus 9a. So I have b as 3a, I have c as minus 9a. Let's put it here. So if I put that in the two equations, I have a plus b is 3a, c is minus 9a plus d equals minus 10. So from here, this equation I have a plus 3a, 4a. 4a minus 9a is minus 5a. So minus 5a plus d is minus 10. The second equation, if I see, minus a plus b is 3a, minus c. So c, if I talk about, it is minus 9a. So c is minus 9a, so minus of minus means plus 9a plus d is equals to 6. So from here I get 9a plus 3a, 12a minus a, 11a plus d is equals to 6. So I have again an equation in terms of a and d for both of them. If I further try to solve this to get the values of a and d, let's see. So I have 11a plus d is equals to 6. And second equation I have is minus 5a plus d equals minus 10. So if I solve this, to solve this, I'll subtract both of them. So if I'm subtracting the two equations, I get this plus, this is minus, and this is plus. This cancels 11 plus 5, 16a, 6 plus 10, 16. A is 1. Once I get A, let's figure out all of them. So B becomes 3a, so 3 into 1, which is 3 again. Now, once I have b is equals to 3, I can use the other idea to find c also. So c is, we know that minus 9a. So c becomes minus 9 into 1, which is minus 9. And the last idea we have to find here is d. So d, I can find it by putting it any one of the equations. So if I find it from here, d becomes 6 minus 11a. So if I have that with me, d becomes 6 minus 11 into 1, which is basically minus 5. So I have all the four of them with me. Now, once I have the four of them with me, the question is asking me to find out f of 3. So my, first of all, the cubic polynomial, if I see, it becomes f of x is equals to ax cube. So basically 1x cube. So x cube. Then you have plus bx square. So 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So we have this entire thing of a cubic polynomial. Now, if I just figure out f of 3, what do I get here is 3 cube, 3 times 3 squared, 9 times 3 minus 5. So from here I get 27. Here also I get 27 minus 27 minus 5. So 27 and minus 27 gets cancelled. You are left with 27 minus 5, and that gives you answer as 22. And if you see the answer choice that matches here with the question, it is option B. So B becomes the correct answer for the question that is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. So we just needed to plug in the values of x as 1 and minus 1. We got two equations in terms of a, b, c, d. And to have the further two equations, I use the idea of local minima for the function at x equals to 1 and local minima for the derivative of the function at x equals to minus 1. So that gave me f dash of 1 is 0 and f double dash of minus 1 is also 0. So when I solved for those ideas, I got a, b, c, d. And once I got the four values of a, b, c, d, I just put in the cubic polynomial and got the answer as 22. That 22 basically matches with option B. So B becomes the correct answer for the question that is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE. So they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.